Hello, so today we're going to be going over the installation for CentOS 6. The first thing that you want to do is hit Next down at the bottom, and then afterwards select English twice, followed by Next. It's going to ask you to discard your data, select Yes, and then you need to rename your computer. We're going to name it Demo for the video's sake, but have your own name on there, and select Next afterwards. Then you need to select your time zone. Go ahead and select America/Los Angeles. You can do it either on the map or on the scroll down menu. And then hit Next afterwards. Then you need to create your root password and confirm it. In our case, it tells us that it's a weak password and we selected Use Anyway, but you can either change yours or select Use Anyway as well. Okay, then you want to select to create a custom layout, followed by Next, and then hit Create. You need to create 4 partitions. All of them are going to be standard partitions, so you'll be selecting Create twice, and then your mount point will be /boot and OK. Then Create, followed by Create one more time, and then your mount point for this partition will be Swap, and then you will need to change your size to 8,000 megabytes. Select OK, and then create your third partition. The mount point will be /, and then you need to change the size on this one to 100,000 megabytes. And select OK, and create your final partition by selecting Create twice. Second one. And then your mount point for this partition is going to be /usr/local. And you need to change the settings to fill the max allowable size. And select Next. And select Format. And then you want to select to write all changes to disk. Once that loads, go ahead and select Next. And when that finishes loading as well, you need to select Software Development Workstation, and then hit Next. This part may take a while. We've shortened down the loading process for the video's sake, so this part should take a lot longer when you're actually doing it than in the video. And then once it finishes loading, you're going to select Reboot down at the bottom. Okay, and then shortly it'll ask you to select Forward, and select Forward one more time, and then hit Yes, and then you want to synchronize your date and time over the network, and then select Forward. Okay, once that loads, select Finish, then it'll prompt you to select Yes, and then you will hit OK. And you now have CentOS 6 installed in your computer.